Hello and welcome to another video of learning SolidWorks. In this video we have a broken gear which is belong to a laser printer, and as you can see, this part of gear, some of tooth was broken. And let's jump to the SolidWorks to design and to redesign this gear and 3D printed it. Let's get started.
So we're gonna go to redesign the broken gear. Choose assembly, and I'm using a digital caliper to measure the diameters and size. Hit cancel, close this screen, go to the design library, toolbox, add in now, and choose ISO, power transmissions, and gears. Drag and drop a spur gear to the scene. So hit OK, and I'm using my caliper to measure the large diameter. It's 29.5 millimeter. Hit Control 8. First of all, we're gonna go and draw a circle as we measure for our bigger tooth diameter. Hit sketch, choose right plane, choose circle, and draw a circle like this. Smart dimension and put it 29.5 millimeter. Hit OK, and now select the spur gear, right click on it and edit toolbox component. I counted the number of teeth and it's 57. Choose 57 for number of teeth. Pressure angle 20 degree, and face width is, let me measure, it's 5 millimeter. Put 5 millimeter. I don't want to change the shaft diameter. I will change it when I design the other parts. And the last thing we're gonna change is module. Let's bring it a little bit down to the size of our circle, 0.5, and hit OK. We can now delete this circle. Our gear is ready. Choose new, and this time we are going to choose the parts. I'm sorry. Let's go to the library, design library, and bring the gear we are customized. Hit Alt yes and yes again. Control 8. Now we are going to measure the inner distance diameter, circle diameter. It's 24.7. Choose this face of the gear, go to the sketch and draw a circle like this, smart dimension, and enter 25.7 and $1.7mm for extruded inside. Let's go to the future, extruded cut, and enter 1.7mm. Hit OK. We're gonna repeat this process for the other side of the gear. Sketch, new sketch. Draw the same circle. $24.7mm and future extruded cut and 1.7mm inside. Okay. Select this face to design the shaft side. Let me measure the circle diameter. It's 11.7mm. Go to the sketch, circle, smart dimension, and 11.7. Extrude it about 1.7mm outside. Okay. We have another part inside this circle. It's 8mm diameter. Select this face. Go to the sketch, new sketch. Draw a circle. Smart dimension and 8mm and about 7.5mm inside, but we didn't create the other side of the gear, so let's do this after we're creating this side. So let this sketch be like this, turn around and choose this side, this face, and we have the same diameter, 11.7mm. So Control 8 and let's close this sketch. Let's select this face, the sketch, and no, 11.7mm, and the height of this part is 5.7mm. Future extruded boss and enter 5.7mm. Hit OK and are going to design the broken gear part. I count 12 these, so select this face, yes, Control 8, and as I measure this distance, it's 11 millimeter. So we are going to create a new sketch, draw a circle, and smart dimensions 11 millimeter. And the other distance is 7.2 millimeter. Draw another circle, smart dimension 7.2 millimeter. We are going to use this circle as our reference, and close the smart dimension, choose center line, and draw a vertical center line, and now we are going to use 3-point arc to shape the face of our gears. Smart dimension, and the distance between these 2 points is 0.5 millimeter, and choose another 3-point arc and draw this kind of shape. Now we are going to choose these two delete this reference circle and choose these curves and mirror this to the other side, mirror about this center line, and hit OK. Now we can remove, or we can draw the circle again. We need this circle to extrude. Then we choose this teeth, and we're gonna copy this about 11 more. To do this, select circular sketch pattern and enter 12. We need 12 more of these, and choose the point for this middle of this circle, and as you can see we have 12 more teeth. Click OK, and now we can extrude this whole whole new creations. To do this, go to the future, extrude boss, and let me measure the height of the teeth. It's about 9mm. Enter 9mm and choose one by one. And as you can see, hit OK, and our gear is ready. The broken part is ready. Now let's get back to the sketch number 4 to create the hole, the shaft hole. .5mm. We should choose edit a sketch and future extruded cut and enter 7.5mm to cut inside, and we are going to get back to this side. Control 8, sketch, new sketch, and draw a circle for the shaft diameter, and as I measure with the caliper, it's 5.5mm. Smart dimension 5.5mm, and we are going to use extrude cut and choose through all, hit OK. So now the design is finished. Let's go to the file and save our project as SLDPRT. I'm going to choose this folder, name it gear, and save it. And once again save it as STL file to 3D print with our 3D printer. Choose STL and hit save. Choose yes, and now our STL file is here. Yes, and let's bring it to Bumble Studio to make our G code and send it to our Bumble Lab A1 Mini. Okay. I'm gonna hit auto orientation, right click and center it, because I want to print this orientation, and choose, I'm using PETG for more strange. Choose generic PETG and 0.2mm strange to have a solid and more percentage of infill, and I'm choosing support because this part of the gear needs support, and slice the plate. took 3.30 grams of filaments and about 26 minutes to print. So we can print the plate, directly send it from here to our 3D printer, or choose export plates slice file and export the G-code, put it on a SD card and put it on our 3D printer and print it out. So I'm saving the gear G-code in this folder, and I'm gonna put it on a SD card and print it out on my Bambu Lab A1 Mini. I will show you the gear after the print is done. So I will see you again. We are back into the shop. The gear print is done, and as you can see, I removed the supports and it prints pretty nicely. Thank you for your watching. Please share, like, and hit subscribe. Thank you.